Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add fulfillment order in WIX. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, come over to wix.com and sign into your account. Then what you want to do is click here on settings on the left down corner and you will see number of options here. Here you have to click on this option which is shipping and fulfillment. Now scroll down and you will see this fulfillment services. Click on Manage Fulfillment Service right next to it. Then what are you going to do is click on this Add Fulfiller and you're going to see Customer Service here and add details of the service you use to send the orders and you want to connect the service. Or you can add like ShipBob and all of these which are present here. So go and add the details here. I will name it like Jimmy Warehouse and now your email address. And now how do you want to send the email automatically or when the order is placed or paid or send it myself from the order page? It is totally up to you. Once done, click on Save and Continue. And then you can assign products to it. So I will assign this one, and this one. Once you assign the products, now click on Done. And you can see now it has been added to your WIX website. So that's basically how you can add fulfillment order in WIX. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.